Making money online is the process of earning income through internet-based platforms. This can include various activities such as selling products or services, creating and monetizing content, or providing freelance services. The potential benefits of making money online are vast, including the flexibility to work from anywhere, the ability to reach a global audience, and the opportunity to generate passive income. With the rise of e-commerce and digital entrepreneurship, making money online has become increasingly accessible to people from all walks of life. There are various ways to make money online, each with its own unique opportunities. Freelancing allows individuals to offer their skills and services to clients on a project basis. Blogging involves creating and monetizing content on a specific niche or topic of interest. Affiliate marketing entails promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Online courses enable professionals to share their knowledge and expertise with a global audience for a fee. These diverse income streams cater to different skills and interests, providing flexibility and potential for substantial earnings. For beginners venturing into the online money-making world, building a personal brand is crucial for standing out in a crowded digital space. Networking with industry professionals and potential clients can open up new opportunities and collaborations. Leveraging social media platforms effectively can help in reaching and engaging with a wider audience, driving traffic to online ventures. These tips for success lay the foundation for a strong start in the online money-making journey, emphasizing the importance of establishing a solid personal brand, networking, and leveraging the power of social media. When starting out in online money-making ventures, it's essential to be cautious of common scams and pitfalls. These may include pyramid schemes, get-rich-quick schemes, and fraudulent investment opportunities. It's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing time or money into any online venture. Additionally, being wary of offers that seem too good to be true and protecting personal and financial information from potential security risks are crucial. By staying informed and vigilant, individuals can avoid falling victim to scams and pitfalls that could hinder their online money-making efforts. In conclusion, making money online offers a world of opportunities for individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility in their careers. By exploring various online income streams and implementing the tips for success, viewers can embark on a rewarding journey of digital entrepreneurship. The call to action urges viewers to take the first steps towards making money online, emphasizing the potential for growth and success in the digital landscape. With determination and strategic planning, anyone can leverage the power of the internet to create multiple streams of income and achieve their financial goals.